Hey Gemini, getting ready to do a general reading for you. Let's see what are the messages that come out for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Um, what are you thinking, guys? What's happening? Gemini. Okay. Okay. Uh, the card at the bottom of the deck was Page of Wands. Um, Guys, I think somebody wants to communicate with you. Somebody you've been awaiting communication from a very long time, since a very long time now, and they have probably this person put you through a situation where you had to choose between um, two people, two places, two situations. This could be one possibility. And there could be another possibility of them putting you in a third party situation. You realize that there was somebody else involved. If this was a romantic connection, then there was another person involved in this, your partner or whoever this person is to you. There was another person involved in their life, and they were juggling between the two of you. If not even juggling, then I think they were just two timing you and them. And I don't think that other person knew of you, just like the way you didn't know of them. Anyway, that connection, that relationship, or that situationship, whatever that was, it has ended. And when it ended, it did not. You weren't happy, of course, because I think you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys had very strong feelings for this person, but nevertheless, it had to end because of the third party situation that happened. It could have happened in the month of September, this whatever happened, or in the month of August. And since then, you've been healing. Um, there could be two possibilities. Either this past person wants to come and communicate with you regarding this connection that you had. You could be wanting to manifest this person. You want to manifest this person, maybe, and you've been trying to, get some kind of communication from this person. For the longest time, you've been feeling really stuck because there were no texts, there were no calls, or even memes. I'm getting, memes. I think some of you shared memes together with each other, and that also stopped because it all ended over here. So yeah, um, there could be an age gap between the two of you. Probably one of you is more mature than the other, or there's a physical age gap. Like you might be older to them, or vice versa. If not this person, there's somebody new who wants to uh, communicate with you. They have seen you go through this phase, and they want to offer love, kindness, warmth, that support that you've lacked in all these months, because you were getting over this pain caused by this person in the past. Somebody wants to come and offer you a new beginning. Yeah. um it could be a Leo person, or a Sagittarius. It could also be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, who wants to extend their love and support to you, bring back the balance in your life. For some of you, I'm getting that this old person who put you through this pain and discomfort and this feeling of unworthiness wants to come and communicate with you. They probably might they might just come forward and offer you an apology. They may also try to convince you to give your relationship another chance. Um, they have really regretted what happened, Gemini. There's deep regret within them, because uh, they knew that you were a pure-hearted person, and all you gave them was love, loyalty, honesty, and look what they did. Now, I don't know if it was intentional or unintentional. Some people just like doing this, they do it for thrill. Like, people do time for thrill. I know it sounds bizarre, but there are people who've come to me for private readings and they've said that they've messed up big time because they were in a relationship and then just for the thrill of it, they went and, got involved with another person and everything went downhill. And this person who they were in a relationship with, they it impacted them so badly that some of them even landed in hospital because they couldn't deal with that pain, and they tried to either end their life, or it's troublesome. So guys, whoever's watching, even if you're a cross watcher for Gemini, I hope you don't put anybody through this pain just because you want a thrill, because it really impacts people in a very bad manner, and they just cannot, they can't, some people aren't strong enough to handle such jolts or such dishonesty, because you never know, they might just give in their 100% to this connection thinking that it is something, and that you could go somewhere from here. And when you turn around and do things like this, it really pushes your partner into a very dark space, and sometimes it's very difficult to get out of there. So guys, please don't do it consciously, and if you have done it unconsciously, and if you're a cross watcher checking up for a Gemini, please do go ahead and apologize even if they reject it. Do it from your side, because that'll help them to a great extent. This person has been feeling regretful. They've also felt as if um, they've not been eating or taking care of themselves, Gemini. Lately, they've been feeling as if Earth has shattered. Like there is nothing left because they are so full of regret. And they will be coming back and contacting you. If not now, then probably in the near future. And okay, if you hear occasional scratching sounds, please excuse that. My dog wants to come in and I can't let her right now. Um, Anyway, getting back to the reading, Gemini, you've got the Judgment card at the bottom of the deck when I was shuffling, and it means that there's a culmination to this whatever energy that happened here earlier this year. Um, you also have the World card, so, and you have the Wheel of Fortune. So, lot of major arcana energy, lot of strong energy, and Gemini, you're going to get your closure. Whether you go ahead and give them another chance, that is up to you. Nevertheless, when this person comes back, you're going to get your closure. Something around the 16th, something happened. Probably they tried to communicate, or the 28th of this month, they'll be trying to communicate with you. Okay, both the cards want to come in. Okay, you've got the new moon in Gemini, which is amazing, and it says communication is key. And I was just talking about communication with you because you have the Knight of Wands here. In case you feel that you are not you don't want anything from this person because obviously in the past they have put you through this pain, then there's a card for you that says nothing will come of this situation. So I guess you should just, let it be. And oh, you've got the full moon in Gemini as well. Oh my God, this is amazing. I'm happy, Gemini. When this happens, it just helps me so much. I mean, amazing. Gemini is amazing. You're gonna get your answers. Oh my God. Wow. Step out of your comfort zone, guys. That's what some of you need to hear. Meditate and contemplate. That is a message for some of you again. Let's just draw another card as a general message, and then we wrap up the reading for you. Success. Guys, whatever it is that's holding you back, you need to let go of it. If it is this person, this past person, this feeling of regret, this feeling of being stuck in their memories, I think you need to let go of that. If you're having a hard time letting go, don't worry. Times are changing for you. As in when October ends, because this is a very fresh situation, and once you let go of this, you'll find yourself feeling more strong. You'll find yourself feeling more empowered, and there's nothing but success that's going to come your way. So hold on to faith, and keep doing what you're doing. If you're reaching out for your dreams, you're doing a great job. If you're trying to meet new people, that's amazing too. Just be careful of not getting involved very quickly, or don't be hasty about communications and connections. Take your time, bide as much time as you can to heal, guys. You need to heal. You can't serve from an empty bowl. So please heal yourselves first. Only then go ahead and offer love. But I feel somebody is coming towards you to offer an apology. You know best, Gemini. You know what to do. So I hope you guys take the correct decision, and I'm very happy for your reading because you've got the new moon and full moon. Cycles are ending, negativity of the past is leaving you, and positivity finds its way towards you because you have the new moon as well. Um, I just hope you guys are safe, and you find the light that you're looking for, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye, Gemini.